Hello guys, I am Bipin and this is Watercolor community. In today's video we will see how can make a comb brush by cutting a flat brush and using it to make a beautiful forest painting. First you need an old flat brush and a scissors. Now cut the brush properly with the scissors and shape it as shown in the video. So now the brush is ready for painting. In the video it seems that I am not paying much attention to the shape and size of the trees, but really friends, I am painting the shape and size of the trees very carefully. In watercolor painting you have to work in layers and you will know that watercolor painting is done from light to dark. So friends, when one layer is completely dry then apply another layer and use wet and wet technique to add soft edges and color mix. If you like my video then subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon.